get weather conditions like this.
Not like this, no.
And we don't regularly drive in the snow and ice like this.
We get snow like this maybe once or twice during the winter, and then it's gone within a few days.
This is how we have everything set up for recce. I've got my book here to start taking notes, and of course our route book for all the directions. How you feeling about recce?
It's gonna be good. It's snowing. Should be slippery.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Crest 50, left 5 over crest.
It didn't help us. It's not slipping. Yeah, no.
We're here in Lewiston, Michigan. We're at Park Expose for day 1 of Sno Drift. We did some recce this morning. Road surfaces are pretty slippery, a little different than what I'm used to. We don't get this kind of snow and ice back home. So we're gonna have to drive real cautiously and try and keep it on the road. We've got some competition in our class. Unfortunately, 1 car did withdraw. So for regional open 2-wheel, we're down to 3 cars, which means if we just get to the end, we should be on the podium. But hopefully we'll try to go a little faster than these other guys, but it's gonna be tough. The roads are really slippery, we're rear-wheel drive, and just untested in these types of conditions, so we're just gonna have to really take it easy and be cautious.
All right, my name's Gabe, I'm the driver of 588, the E30 here. Just hoping to have a good run and not break down, hopefully not get stuck on too many hills. 2-wheel drive in the snow, we're just here to go sideways, have some fun, and it should be a good time.
Getting a better feel for the stages. The first one was pretty slow. Didn't really know what to expect. It's really, really slippery, really loose out there. Takes a little bit of different style driving.
Yeah, but conditions are actively changing as we're going down stage because right now it's sleeting. So any grip we thought we had is probably going to be gone when we go back out. Yay! So a minute ago we told you guys it was sleeting. When I said conditions were changing by the minute, 10 out of 10, not lying.
Oh yeah.
We have some work to do.
Sounds like your exhaust fell off again.
We're back here at the garage. The car's still here. It's still in one piece. Roads are very slippery. Took a little bit of getting used to figure those roads out. First couple stages were pretty slow. The rest we were still slow, but a lot more fun, a lot more sliding around the last couple passes, and ended up actually getting stuck at one point. Really silly mistake.
I called a right one. He slowed down, but it just was, I think, just really, really slick, and we kind of went straight and poof into a little snowbank. It wasn't very big, but for whatever reason, the car didn't want to stay running, and then we couldn't seem to get backed out.
We actually got pushed out by a bunch of spectators and got back on the road and managed to finish the stage, finish the day out. We've got a little work to do. We've got an exhaust leak again. The clamp slid off again, like it did at MOR, so we've been driving around with an exhaust leak for the past couple stages. Lost one of our lights. I think we're running too high of a wattage bulb in one of the lamps, and it popped a fuse, and our drive shaft's banging around a little bit. Got a bad support bearing, but we'll keep pushing on. Well, we are 37th.
Out of?
39.
Cool. We're not last.
The first time we did it in 12:24. The second time we did it 20:23. So it was about 8-minute difference. And we probably would have been faster the second test. But.
We're just gonna make sure everything's good and tight, and then reattach the exhaust. So Calvin and Kelsey only have to yell at each other when they want to.
We're here in Atlanta, Michigan. We're at Park Expose. We're day 2, Sno Drift.
We're way in the back all by ourselves here.
Unfortunately, we did lose about 8 minutes, which put us here at the back of the pack. We're starting 40th today. So we'll be last on the road. Conditions have changed a little bit. It's actually a little bit too warm here. It was a little above freezing yesterday, and it stayed kind of warm through last night, so it's really slippery out, very slushy. The goal today is just get to Bonfire Alley and keep it on the road.
It was good. It was a lot of fun. Sideways as expected. We spun right in front of the spectators on the last stage, and they were all yelling and hollering. It was pretty good. But yeah, hoping for more of the same today. Hope the car sticks together. It'll be fun.
We're here at service. This car just does not like having decent fenders, so the clanging and banging is just to roll them back in. We're back at service. Everything's good. Car's great. We've kissed several snowbanks with, I think, every corner of the car. We pulled Al out of a snow berm. We're just putting on 2 fresh tires, and
it's getting cold.
Who?
To the finish, and we drove Bonfire Alley. It was everything I hoped for, everything I dreamed. I'm not even gonna lie, I got a little bit emotional going down the stage. Also, what makes me really happy is the other E30 is here.
So we're pretty happy with our finishing result here at Sno Drift. We made it to the finish, which was better than we expected. We only got stuck once, but congrats to the other teams in Open Two-Wheel Drive. They did a great job out there. We're happy to see them at the finish as well. So the good thing coming out of this, with a third place finish, we did earn a pretty good amount of points for the Open Two-Wheel Drive East Region Championship, and it's actually moved both Kelsey and I into first place for driver and co-driver. So going into 100 Acre Wood, we've got some more competition, and we're looking forward to seeing how everybody does out there.
How are you guys doing? Are you picking up any time?
Yes. It's been great out there.
I mean, you're here. That's a plus, right?
Yes.
He can't hear you, Ryan.